Unexpected breakdowns can bring your entire operation to a halt, but they don't have to. Discover how Murray Engineering's Service Exchange program keeps your fleet running at peak performance. In this video, we're going to take you through Murray Engineering's Service Exchange program and explain how using our remanufactured components can save you both time and money, increase availability, and contribute to a more sustainable mining industry. When you request a service exchange component from us, our sales team checks availability and confirms pricing. Once the purchase order is received, the component is swiftly picked, packed, and dispatched from our warehouse, ensuring fast delivery and minimal downtime. Once the component is changed out on site, the used component is returned to Murray Engineering, and this is where its journey begins. The first step is when one of our technicians visually inspects the component to ensure that it is complete. Next, the component enters our wash and blast facilities, where it is thoroughly cleaned and prepped before moving on to the next stage of the process. Next, our team dismantles and cleans the component, inspecting each piece to assess where and identify parts in need of refurbishment or replacement. Based on this evaluation, we compile a comprehensive digital assessment report detailing required parts, refurbishment work, and the overall condition of the component. Then, our skilled service exchange technicians meticulously rebuild each component to OEM specifications, leveraging advanced technology to restore it to like-new quality. Assembly takes place in our dedicated clean room, ensuring precision and preventing contamination. With decades of experience, our service exchange technicians are experts in their field, delivering components that set the highest industry standards for reliability and performance. Once rebuilt, each component undergoes extensive testing, including load simulations and performance validation, to ensure it meets or exceeds OEM standards. Transmissions and torque converters are rigorously assessed on our state-of-the-art dynamometer, verifying peak performance and reliability before they leave our facility. Dynamometer testing is crucial as it helps verify performance before a component reaches site, preventing any additional downtime in the field. Every component is checked against a detailed set of criteria, guaranteeing it meets all requirements before being dispatched for service. Once the component passes all performance QA tests, it moves to painting. Our in-house service treatment technicians paint the component in OEM colours inside our downdraft paint booth. The finish is inspected for compliance before the component is packed and sent to our warehouse for tagging and storage. Choosing Service Exchange isn't just cost-effective, it's sustainable. By refurbishing and reusing components, we help reduce waste while providing a reliable alternative to brand new parts at a fraction of the cost. With a large inventory of rebuilt components ready to go, our Service Exchange program ensures you get the parts you need fast. Murray Engineering's Service Exchange program is the smart solution for your mining fleet. Check out our range of quality service exchange components online or reach out to us to find out more.